Okay, we're doing Dark City Arenas. I really like this because it's a cool challenge. It's an old-fashioned kind of challenge in Ratchet. You know, Ratchet's an awesome character. I have all the games except for Tools of Destruction. No, I haven't played that one yet. But I hope I can. But I don't have a PS3, so dreams aren't always going to come true, guys. Wait, what's this? Arbiter, level 2. Power's on 800. Oh, this ain't bad. It's an awesome weapon, you know. This is my favorite weapon. Especially when you get it upgraded to the silencer. It's awesome. You know. This game isn't too bad when it's compared to the other games, because this was like a lot darker and stuff, you know. It's pretty different. I don't know, it's just different. And you don't get too many weapons, but it's a cool game. I've only beaten it once. I've only beaten Deadlocked and Going Commando. I haven't beaten any of the other games. I'm not very good at weapon cycling.
Let's just pray we don't have any more wardrobe malfunctions.
Shield for protection. Well, it didn't protect me, did it? No, it didn't. I'm gonna sue. I'm gonna sue Dread Zone for making a horrible weapon. Die. Ah! Crap! Oh, crap, I'm out of ammo. Yeah, you're both dead. What's this? What do you think you're doing? Get out of here. Me and my dad play 2-player on this game sometimes. He's pretty good. But we'd much rather play Ratchet and Clank. Going Commando. He'd rather play by himself. But still, anyway, there you go.